Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your path, Windows 11 or an emulator. If you have Windows 11, enable virtualization in BIOS and then open Settings to install Windows Subsystem for Android. If you're on older Windows, download BlueStacks or Android Studio and run the installer as admin. Once done, make sure your download completed without corruption and that you have a Google account ready. Start the installer now and follow on-screen prompts. This immediately creates the runtime needed to host Play Store. Now you configure the Android environment so apps run smoothly. In an emulator, create an AVD using an x86-64 image and allocate at least 4 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores. In Windows Subsystem for Android, open the subsystem settings and enable developer mode if needed. Next, launch the Play Store and sign into your Google account. This links services and lets you install apps. Make sure to grant location, storage, and microphone permissions as required. Once done, test Play Store navigation before installing heavy apps. Finish by installing the apps you need and verifying each one launches correctly. You'll often be prompted to update Google Play services, accept that to avoid crashes. If you see lag or crashes, increase RAM or CPU allocation, enable GPU acceleration, or switch the virtualization engine in emulator settings. If Play Store fails to open, clear its cache and app data. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the subsystem or emulator and reboot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.